Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, I've just been talking on the DAX about ambush, and here is exactly the setup for the ambush. So, typically, what happens is you're in a range, and majority of the time it's retail traders that do it because they see the break. It's normally a pattern which works out quite well when you're on the lower time frames, and they all jump in short here. Can't really keep the stop wide because it's a 500 odd point stop loss, so they're jumping in here with position sizes too big and then tight stop losses. So what happens is the institutions are trying to defend this level, this 32,900. Now when you come to the weekly, you'll see what I'm talking about here. It's quite a wide zone. You can see there is the zone that I've drawn in here, and look at all the tails that are here. But then you just got to bear in mind that it does extend all the way down to there. So it extends all the way down to 32,487. So your institutions are going to defend this zone. Your retail traders, especially inexperienced retail traders, are looking at this, at the breaks. They're looking at it on the lower time frames. They're listening to all the perma bears and the noise that's in the market, and are convinced that they're going to make a killing by shorting the market. And that is how you get trapped and lose. Well, you normally blow your account, first account, second accounts. I've blown 2 accounts with this kind of stuff. But anyway, let's get back to reality. So for me, this is still it is a range. Look at the strong divergence here on the 3 hour. So that's a range. Yes, it's a broke below the range, but I think it's more of a fake out just based on what I'm seeing here on the divergence. Granted, the trend is down and we should be shorting, but there is mitigating circumstances here, and that is this big weekly level of support, which at the moment looks like it's broken, but that's not a decent break. That I would expect price to come all the way down, travel at least 30-40 points, come back, and 200-300 points, and then come back before even considering shorts. So before we get to the hour, don't forget to smash the like button. It does help us grow the channel. Now on the hour you can see the big up, big down. Granted, we are still trending to the downside, and it looks like it's a range break, and this looks like it's coming to test here. It may very well come back to test there. I do have another weekly level, and there will be multiple micro levels in this zone, which you're going to have to go back in time and pick them all up before you get too excited. I'm reluctant to chase shorts at the moment. That's as simple as that. We are at strong weekly support, strong daily support, and strong monthly support. In fact, I haven't even looked at that, but you'll probably find, yeah, look there. There's your monthly support right here as well. So the strong area support, we haven't made any profit for the year, so that would be 2 years in a row that we haven't made profit if we close in this area. I don't see the institutions allowing that to happen. They need to do something, and between them and the Feds, I can expect something happening shortly. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, okay, this is my zone for longs, which is 33,300 area. I need to get above that and find a base there before we start getting confident on the longs. But looking here, you've got a diagonal, and you've got what could be a double bottom here. But look where we are with the moving averages. So I'm very reluctant to be chasing anything here at the moment. We could get something here, and that's not even a decent opportunity, so let's just reassess that. So basically, if we were above 3,300, run up to there, come back, find support here. There may very well be a long scalp here from here to 33,244. May very well be that, but if I just look at what's going on the DAX and the S&P, I would be reluctant to chase longs, and I'm very reluctant to chase shorts at the moment. So I suspect we're probably just going to bounce around amongst this zone And you probably find right at the end of the day, going into the close, at last 15 minutes to close, that the institutions are going to make their move of which direction they want to go. And then we'll take it from there. So I think what we really need to do here is just leave it alone and wait for next week to see what the direction is at the moment. Lastly, obviously we're coming up to month end. So if you just look at the monthly again, that is a red bar on monthly, so but in a strong up bull trend. So yeah, so when you look at it like that, I'm just going to delete all this. You start wondering, where do all the bears come from when you look at the monthly? This could be a double top, but obviously that needs to play out by breaking below here. So all the noise where they're talking about, market falling to, there's so much noise about this market falling to 29.5 and probably going to fall down to 26. And I saw one yesterday which is 14. I don't know what that person is smoking, but there's 18 there, so 14's all the way down here. Do you really think all organizations are going to allow that to happen? It happened here with COVID, and they very quickly jumped in to stop it happening. So anyway, don't pay attention to the noise. Just watch what's going on price, and understand that you are at a strong weekly level here, strong monthly level, strong daily level, strong 8-hour level as well. So you don't really want to be jumping in here, especially not when you've got an 8-hour range bar that's just formed smack bang in the middle of this level. Okay, anyway, I'm Sit on Hands. We will pick this up on Monday morning. Hope it helps, and enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.